Hello, so we are back, and this time with another customer job. You know how it is. I swear, like 90% of my jobs are gaming laptops. Probably I will become a gaming laptop repair expert. Okay, this is a nice one, yeah. This is a MSI, yeah. Uh, i7 RTX graphics. So check on the back. I love it. You know, on the back. Check here. You can actually see the heatsink inside. It's so nice. You can see the copper pipes. It's so cool. Okay, the problem with this one, well, it has no screws. Okay, the problem with this one. Okay, let me read what the customer is saying. Yeah, 1 second. Strange type of accident with USB cable tugs the laptop off the table. On its way down, it hits a glass of strawberry squash at the button cover, which wasn't screwed. It comes off, allowing a few tiny splash of water to get on it. At the time, I saw none on any critical components. I took the power up, but forget the battery plugged. Shortly after, I observed green corrosion in the area you see on the picture. Now let's see the picture what the customer sent it. That's the picture. And you can see on the picture here on the bottom, you can see some corrosion. Yeah, just a little bit. Okay, let's go and let's open the laptop and have a look before we are plugging the power in. I can see hard no screws, like nothing. So I suppose we can open the. Yeah, we can. By the way, most of my gaming laptops, they come with no screws. Why is this so heavy? So here is metal. Oh, they put metal here to balance the. Okay, I got it now. Yeah, interesting. Wow, this is a nice board. So check here. I have a nice chipset there. ENE chip, but I see something on the pins there. 1 second. 1 second. So this chip is burned or some liquid damage get onto the pins. What do you think? What can be there? I mean, you can see it's kind of different color. So here is kind of black. I mean, you can see it here is black. You know what? Actually, I don't want to check the board. No. I want to check the IO chip. No. Okay, let's try to figure it out. The 3.3 volts power supply. Let's see. How do we find the 3.3 volts power rail? Sorry, power rail. Let me unplug the battery. I unplug the battery. You have capacitors, yeah, and you have to find. Look, those are together. Is not shorted to ground. Together. Is not together. Together. Okay, so clearly this is our main power rail, yeah. Let me see, the other one is ground. Yeah, it is ground. Okay, let's come with 3.3. We do have 3.3. Let's see here. And no, it's not shorted. Oh, lol. No, nothing. It's taking no power. No. Okay, so the IO chip is good. Strange because it has a different color there. Okay, let me take the board out and let's have a look. Okay, so we took the heatsink out for the moment. Let's see the main power rail is shorted. No, the main power rail is not shorted. That means this laptop can be fixed. Let's try to figure it out. So the customer show us, he was keeping the board like that, and he show us some damage here on this area. Yeah, let's have a look together. Let's see. Oh yeah, you can clearly see some damage. Probably has been cleaned. I don't think it's anything damaged here, shorted. Because otherwise the main power rail will be shorted. You see, so it's not short here. No, it's not short. We can clean it, but I'm 100% sure the problem is not from here. You only have a bunch of capacitors with a little bit of liquid damage, but they have nothing to do. You know, the IO chip, it's weird. It's black there. I don't know why. Okay, let's try it. You know what? Let's plug the charger because it's not short. Yeah, let's plug the charger and check our 3.3 volts power rail. Yeah. So let me plug the charger and check here. Yeah. 1 second. So the charger, it is plugged in. Let's see what do we have. So we have on those on the IO chip we have 3.3. That's insane. So why the laptop is not coming on if we have 3.3? Okay, that's bad. Means we can have a dead IO chip. Yeah, possible. Very possible. Let's see. Let's see the power button. Where is the power button? It's on the keyboard. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Nah, this is a dead IO chip. Let's see if it's charging. Let's see if it's charging. No. This is a dead IO chip. No, it's not charging. Where should be the charging? Like 1 second. Here, right? No. Where this laptop has the charging light? It does not have a charging light. Okay, that's strange. Let's check if it's charging the battery. The CPU is still cold. So the battery has 0.3 volts. Okay, that's not good. Let's go with the power supply. Let's go with the power supply. Yeah. Minus, plus, and we cannot charge the battery. Huh? No, the battery is not charging. And that's a clear sign of dead EC chip. No, it's not. So all signs are showing us like a dead EC chip, dead Super IO chip. You know what is strange? It's strange because the IO chip should take some power. So here we have 3.2, right? So if I unplug the charger and if I come with the power supply with 3.3 here, it's taking nothing. I mean nothing. I mean, you know, just a little bit, just to see it's alive. No, it's taking nothing. So I believe that IO chip is blow up. That's my personal opinion. Here we have a dead EC chip. $9548QF. And I believe actually the chip blow up exactly there where the pins are black. That's what I believe. From a simple reason, the battery is not enabled. and the chip is taking no current at all, nothing, like nothing. So what we shall do? That's a good question. Just, I suppose, just order the IO chip. Yeah. So I'll order the IO chip and probably see you on the next one. Yeah. Bye. 3 weeks later, and I got a package. Because I could not find this chip here. This is the IO chip from that MSI laptop. Let's see. Okay, so the chip is here inside. Hopefully it's good. I know I said I will not order chips from China, but this I ordered like 3 weeks ago. So somehow we have to use the chip. And that's the chip. Ta-da! You see, we have the chip. Now we can program the chip and solder on the laptop. And we can done that job. Because the customer is waiting. Okay, so let me grab the programmer. Let me grab the laptop. And let's try to do it. So we are 1 hour later, yeah? So I said, you know what, let me try to get the EC firmware first before we are programming the chip. There is no EC firmware in the world for this laptop, yeah? Usually the MSI is sharing the EC firmware on the website, not for this model. I found for the MSI GF66 11 UE, but this is UG. UG you'll not find anywhere, yeah? Anyway, if you need, just ask me. And yeah, I spent like 1 hour, I spoke with someone, he got the BIOS, he extract the EC, because you can extract the EC from the BIOS if you know how. I don't, but it's on my priority list to learn how to do it. So he extracted the EC firmware, now we have to program. Let me grab the tool, yeah? Okay, so we have the programmer. Let's plug the programmer. Let me see, how can I switch to desktop? Okay, so we have the programmer on the screen. We need this bit, and we need the ENE board. ENE board. This is IT. This is ENE. So we have to connect the socket with the pin number 1. Let's put the chip first, yeah? So the chip pin number 1 here on the bottom, right? I mean, you can put it however you want. Here is not important. Pin number 1 is here. Here it's important how you put it. So the pin number 1 is here on the board. So it has to be with the pin number 1 here. All good. Now, how is supposed to be? It's supposed to be like that, yeah? You can't put it on the other way. Okay, so everything is connected here. Let me make this bigger. What do we need? We need ENE, right here, ENE. We need a motherboard. Select the motherboard. You can't see, sorry, you can't see. You can't see this menu. Select. Okay, now read ID, and you can see the chip is read, yeah? So what do we have to do now? We have to load up write, nothing to write, open, and you can't see the menu. Let me select the EC and write. Yeah, and he's doing it. He's writing the chip. He's writing the chip. Finally, I can finish this laptop, which is here from a long time. Long time, like about 3 weeks. So he's writing. He's verifying. Verify OK. So we are ready. Yeah, we are ready. You can believe that. So all what we have to do now is to unplug this because the chip is programmed, to take the chip out, and now we can solder the IO chip to the motherboard. Now finally, yeah, let's solder this to the motherboard. I'll put this on one side and I'll bring the motherboard here. Okay, so how we are doing this job? Here we have this slot, so we should come with the heat from this side. On the other side we have few connectors, so we have to be careful with this one, yeah. Good. So we should come with the heat like that. Let's try to isolate that one. Should be good, right? Should be good. First, that's the plan. We are taking the chip out. Hopefully nothing is going wrong. We are taking the chip out. Yeah. Good. The chip position is like that. Fantastic. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, let's use some flux. We'll be coming with 500 degrees to take this chip out. Max temperature. And we successfully remove the chip without doing anything wrong. What's that black things? Huh? Who knows? The chip is dead anyway. The chip is dead. Okay, let's clean it quickly. For me, looks like some liquid damage there. Or I don't know, some black things there, but I don't know what they are. Huh? Oh, I never seen something like that. That's rust or what? Can be. because it's exactly lol. But it's not rust. No, it's not. No, it's not. It's something over. No, it's not rust. No, we are fine. Yeah, we are fine. We are fine. Good. Good. Let's come with some flux, just a little bit. Good. Fresh solder. Perfect. Right? Lol. Perfect. Perfect, perfect. Okay, good. Now let's come with the new chip. Let's come with the new chip. The chip position. Yeah, like that. Now we were gonna try to do it on one take. Like, you know, like when you film something, yeah? You don't edit. You get it right from the first time. Well, I never get it right from the first time, but we can try, we can try. You know what I need first to change the nozzle on the hot air. Good, small nozzle. Now we have to match the chip. Each pin has to go exactly okay. This will not be easy. This one, it will not be easy. About that seems to be fine. Yes, let's try it. Let's try it. Let's try it. Huh? Hmm? Yeah, do you think we get it? We got it right? Probably. Probably. It's kind of shifted, so here is fine. Here is fine, but here on this side is kind of shifted. Just a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to correct my mistake if I can. Let's use lower temperature, about 370 degrees. And let's see if we can do it. The problem, I can't really see much. Can I do it? Can I put the chip on the right position? So I can see the chip is melting, you can see. Nearly perfect, yeah? It's not perfect, but nearly. We don't want perfect anyway. Perfect is boring. Always the imperfection was always better, you know? But I'm not sure about those pins. No, they are all soldered. No, all good. No, all good, all good. Yeah, we are fine. We are fine. Wow, we made it. We made it, I can't believe. Now, it's time for testing. Not sure where is the power button. Wait, let's unplug the battery, the BIOS battery. I mean, we just resoldered the EC chip, so the BIOS battery doesn't matter, but let's do it. You know, let's do it. Well, good. Okay, let me bring the laptop and let's test it. So that's the laptop. We don't need Wi-Fi. No, we don't need it. So the board has to be like that. Good. What's the story with this connector? We don't need it, right? No, we don't. We need a heatsink. That's clear. That's something what we need. I mean, I'm not sure if it's working, don't get me wrong. So it's not like, okay, I know for sure it's working. And let's put everything back together like original. No, I don't. Maybe the chip is dead. Maybe the guy who extracted the EC chip from the BIOS done something wrong. We don't know. Let's put a few screws here. Let me see where is the power button. The power button is on the keyboard. Okay, so we need a keyboard. But where the keyboard has to be? On the other side of the board? Don't tell me. Don't tell me the keyboard is coming on the other side of the board. Yeah. Okay, let's take the board out again. So much fun, you know? It's so much fun. Okay, so the keyboard is plugged. The keyboard is plugged. Charging port. The screen cable. You ready? Let's plug the charger. Charger is plugged in. Nothing exploded. We are fine. Now let's press the power button. Pressing the power button, nothing happened. Expected. Yeah, the story of my life. I see the main power rail. Oh wait, the fan not spinning. This fan is spinning. So the fan just starts spinning by itself. It's working. I see like a logo on the screen, right? It's working. We have the logo on the screen. And we have the BIOS. I can't believe. Oh, the touchpad is not connected. The keyboard, it is connected. It's working. Lol. So everyone done the job properly. You know, the guy who fabricate the chip, the guy who extract the AC chip, me, which I solder the chip. So you see, when everyone is working and is doing their own job, it's working. Yeah. Ha ha. Can't believe. So now, yes, now we can put it all back together. Now we know for sure it's working. Yeah. AC chip replacement. Okay, so give me like 10 minutes. Let me have a look a little bit. Let me replace the thermal paste. We have the thermal grease leak crocon out, which is fantastic. Brand new thermal paste, every screw, every cable. See you like in about 10-15 minutes. All done. The final test, let's plug the charger. Let's see if it's charging. Do we have the charging light somewhere? Where is supposed to be the charging light? Pressing the power button and the keyboard is coming on. You can see the RGB keyboard. And we have picture, yeah? Mouse is working, the keyboard is working, everything, yeah? All done. So this job is done. But I still don't understand. Where is the charging LED? I don't think this has a charging LED. So it's nowhere a charging LED. I can't believe. That's strange. Unplugging the charger and it's working on the battery. Plugging back the charger. Let's get a multimeter which is on screen. Ground plus 12.053, 54, 56, 57, 58, 9 is charging, you can see, but the laptop is still on. And the battery is still charging. That means it's great, it's fantastic. Okay, all good. We done it. Yeah. Didn't have the SSD drive, didn't have the Wi-Fi because I checked the first video. So those things were missing. No screws. But all good. Now, for the people that are watching this kind of video, looks complicated? Looks. You know what? If you see my videos from like when I started this YouTube channel, like 4 or 5 years ago, you've seen it, yeah? I never done this kind of jobs. I didn't even do BIOS, you know? Not even BIOS, like basic BIOS. No. Only on the HP by the USB. Nothing. Because I was working on a computer shop. And on a computer shop, you don't really have time to spend and, you know, try to do research. Let me check. Let me find a BIOS. Let me find a EC. Let's, you know, it's, I don't know. I never done it. I never learned it and I never done it. And I learned it after I stopped going to work, which is insane. Because I had time. I learned it. But the knowledge gives you so much power. You know what I mean? I'm still learning. I'm on the learning process exactly like you. I'm not different than you. Far away to be a professional. I don't even care about that. Okay, so I will stop now. You know what? To be honest with you, I didn't expect to work. I didn't expect that chip from China actually to work. I didn't expect it, but it worked. So it's kind of like Russian roulette when you buy cheese from China. Sadly. Okay, also now I'll say thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you like the video like always, and see you on the next one. Bye.